Hello everyone, myself Sandeep. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, guys, today I'm gonna teach about list slicing in Python. So, before going to slicing, I'm gonna discuss about basic things. So, how this slicing works and all. Okay. So now let me open Paint and show you briefly how slicing works. Okay. So okay, so I'm trying to write a list. I hope everyone knows how to define list. Okay, so if you are not knowing it, you can watch my previous videos, so where I have explained everything in properly. So so guys, so this is the list which I defined here. So this is how you define a list. So and now list slicing means, let's say you want to break the list. Okay, so now what you have to do is, so let's say you want to break 2 3. Okay, let's say now your list should be, out of that you have to print only 2 3. Out of that you have to print only 2 3. Okay, so you have to print only this. Okay, this is nothing but slicing. We are breaking the list. Okay, so for breaking a list we have a syntax in Python. Okay, so that syntax is that syntax is start, end, and index. This is how you have to give a syntax. Okay, so I'll tell you what is start, what is end, and what is index. Okay, let's say we have one list called let me show you the example here. Let me open IPython. Sorry for disturbance, guys. So I went to Python console now. Okay, I'm defining a one list called, it can be anything. List can have integers or strings. I hope everyone knows this too. So now let's say I want to print so I told you, right, in start, end, and index. Okay, let's say you want to print the elements from starting point. Okay, let's say I want to print everything from start to end. Okay, so starting index will be as everyone knows, index always starts from 0. Okay, this is the 0th position. Okay, so I'll print and show you. L of 0 means 11. Okay, sorry. Sorry, I have changed it, right? Sorry, here I gave L equal to 0. List got updated. So let me define same list again. So now let's say I want to print 0th index. See, so L of 0 means 11. So L of 1, which is nothing but 22. So here, guys, as you know, index position always starts from 0, and it goes on till the element whatever you define. Okay, so now here we have 4 till 4 index, 0 1 2 3 and then 4. Okay, so let's say we have to print from start to end. Okay, so L of, what is the syntax says, L of start means from which index position you want to start. Okay, my index position is 0. Okay, and till which, what will be your end point. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4 5. Here how it works, if you give 5, it will print to till 4. Okay, 0 1 2 3 4, correct, right? This is the 4th index position. So if you give 5, it will print till 4. Okay, let's say I am giving only 4. Okay, it will print till 44. Okay, and jump means index. Okay, so how it has to jump. Okay, let's say you want to print only alternative numbers, 11 33 and 55. Then you give 2. 2 means it will skip one element. Since I gave only 1, it will not skip anything. Okay, so let me print and show you. See, 0, 4, 1. 0 means start. It should start from 0. 0th index is 11. Okay, since I gave 1, it is trying to print every element. So 22, 33 and 44. Okay, so as I told you, if you are giving 4 index as a end, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so if you are giving 4, it will not consider fourth index. It will print till fourth element, so it will print till 44. Okay, let's say I gave, instead of 4, I gave 5 as a end index. Okay, it will print this element also. Okay, so now let's say I want to print alternative elements from this. Okay, just give 2. Okay, it will skip one element after each and everything. Okay, let's say we gave starting index as 0, so it will print 11. After that, since you gave index m plus 2, it will skip this element and it will try printing the next element, 33. So this is how list slicing works, guys. So let's say I'm giving 3. See, since 3, right, it will skip 2 elements, 11, and it will skip 2 elements, and then it will try to print next one. So after that, it doesn't have any elements, right? So that's why it is trying to print only 2. Okay, so I hope, guys, this is clear for everyone. And guys, let's say you might have one doubt. Okay, so I want to print from 22. Okay, since you gave 0 here, it tried printing from 0th index. Okay, let's say you want to print from 22, just give 1 colon. Okay, it will print from 22. If you want to print from 33, just give 2 colon. It will try printing from 33. Okay, so now you might get one more query. Okay, you want to print till this level. Okay, 33. Okay, so at that time what we can do is 0, this is 0, 1, 2 and 3. If you give 3 colon, it will print till there. See, 11, 12 and 23. If you give colon 3, see, we are not giving any start. If we are not giving any starting point, by default it will consider as 0th index. After that we give colon, and after colon, if you are giving something, right, it will be the end. So this is end. So till where you want to print? So 11, 22 and 30. Since I give third index, it will print till third, but it will not consider the third index element. Okay, so one thing what we got is how to index jump the numbers, how to skip the alternative numbers, and then how to print everything in list, and then how to print from this index or this index or from this particular index we got. And one more thing what we have learned is how to print till 22 or how to print till 33. Okay, so these all are in sequential order, right? So now we can do same thing with the reverse order as well. Okay, let's say now you want to print last element. Okay, just give L of minus 1. L of minus 1 means in list whatever there in last element, right, it will try to print that. Okay, I am giving L of minus 2, it will print the last but one number. Okay, so I am giving L of minus 3, it will try to print the last but 2 number, that is 33. Okay, so now let's say someone might have, in interviews you might get a question how to reverse a list. Okay, for that you can just do this. Okay, L of colon minus 2, which will return your list from sequential order to reverse order. Okay, let me print that list for your reference. So this is our list. See, I am trying to print in reverse order. Okay, now reverse order, let's say you want to print the sequential let's say you want to print the alternative numbers. So just give colon minus 2, it will try to print 55, 33 and then 11. Okay, so for printing the reverse order, let's say you want to give indexes in reverse order also. Okay, you just give colon minus 1, it will consider that we are trying to read the list from reverse order, and you give the index from where you want to reverse the list. Okay, so let's say I want to reverse from this. Okay, you have to give this index because it will not consider the you have to give this index only, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 3 will be the starting point. See guys, I gave 3 exactly from I gave 3. Okay, from here I want to reverse. So see, exactly 0, 1, 2, 3, exactly from here it got reversed. Okay, let's say you want to print alternative numbers from there. Okay, just give 3 3 see, it printed 44 and then it printed 22. Since there is no other element beside 11, it is not printing anything. Okay guys, this is how list slicing works. Okay, so guys, in the interview you might get a question like reversing a list. Okay, so in that case, right, you can just give like this. Okay, and we have a function called l dot reverse which will reverse you the list. Okay, so see, it got reversed. So you can just give a if condition for comparing whether reversed list and the original list is correct or not. Okay, so in that way you can check palindrome or not. And other way is you can just give list of colon colon minus 1 which will reverse a original list. Okay, and then you can compare these two lists. Okay, and one more way is you can, using for loop, you can reverse and you can give a try. So guys, there is not only one way, you can try in multiple ways. I just told you in 3 ways, right? You can do that via while loop, you can do that via some other way. So programming can be written in many ways, guys. So you try learning you try writing programming in multiple ways. Okay, not only in single way, then only you will learn programs. So guys, keep learning and take care, guys. So stay safe, stay home. Guys, that's all for the day. Please do subscribe my channel, guys, if you like these videos. Okay, then winding up for the